welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna be reviewing 7-Eleven makeup. 7-Eleven makeup? Does it exist? Yes girl, today I found out it exists. So my husband just got home with some makeup goodies and I looked at it and I was like, where'd you get it? 7-Eleven? They have it there? Yes, they do. It was just so sweet of him. And I'm just curious myself if it's gonna turn out good or bad. Let's just go ahead and review this. So it's distributed by 7-Eleven and name of this brand is Simply Me Beauty. Simply Me Beauty. I'm here for it. So if you want to see this brand in action, go ahead, stay here with me and keep watching. First, I'm gonna start with this Aubergine eyeshadow collection. It has 5 different shades and I'm gonna be swatching all of them for you guys to see how pigmented they are. Next, we got this blush brush and honestly, it feels so soft on my face. I love it! We got this cream lipstick in shade Clementine and honestly this is so pigmented and so pretty and I cannot wait to wear this. Next, I got this eyeshadow blending brush and honestly it does not look like blending brush, but we will see what's up. Last thing I got is this BB cream, which is a sunscreen at the same time. I know it's pretty cool, right? And I'm going to be swatching this on my face as well as all of the previous products. Whoa, this does not look like my shade. Yes, girl, this is pretty dark. It's a no, but don't you worry, we'll make it work. I'm just gonna mix it with the Wet n Wild foundation to make it a little bit lighter. Hold on, is it cheating? I mean, I said we're gonna make it work, so we gotta do what we gotta do. It gave me a nice smooth finish which I love and it also gave me a natural glow and girl, you know I'm all about it. Now I'm gonna dip into this light rosy shimmery shade and apply it to my eyelids. Next I'm gonna go with this cherry shade and blend right into my crease. Then I'm gonna use this burgundy shade and apply it to my lower lash line to make our eyes poppin'. Next, I'm gonna grab the dark chocolate shade and apply it to outer corner of my eye and blend it in. Then I'm gonna grab the lightest shade in the palette and highlight my brow bone as well as my inner corners of my eyes. So clearly this lip color doesn't go with our makeup, but for the sake of this video, we're still gonna wear it! Overall, I'm happy with all of the products my man got me. Big shout out to him and to 7-Eleven for having such good quality. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.